This is 6th grade lesson 8. So for number 1, it says there are 10 women for every 6 men in a company. Which of the following ratios is equivalent to the ratio of men to women? So for this one, there is 6 men per 10 and 10 women in every company. So if you divide each by 2, divide 6 by 2, that's 3. Divide 10 by 2, that's 5. So the answer would be B. The ratio of orange juice to fruit punch at a party is 5 to 8 liters. What is the possible ratio of liters of fruit punch to orange juice? So fruit punch to orange juice is 8 to 5. And if you multiply each by 2, you get 16 and 10, which is a 16 to 10. For number 3, it says, at a certain concert, there are 2 American fans for every 3 British fans. How many British fans are present if there are 44 American fans? So, there are 2 American fans for every 3 British fans. And if there are 44, how many British fans will be present? So, you could first do 42 divided by 2 for the American fans. That's 22. And with this, you would just multiply by the three British fans. So 22 times 3 is 66. So the answer is D. For the next question, it says Jill's mom is preparing for a marathon. She needs to run 28 miles in 7 days. How many miles should she run per day to hit her goal? So for this question, to reach 28 miles in 7 days, you would just divide 28 by 7, which is 4 miles per day. For number 5, Sophia makes $10 an hour. She wants to buy 3 kilograms of rice, which is $25. How many hours does she need to work to afford 3 kilograms of rice? So she makes $10 an hour, but she wants to buy 3 kilograms of rice, which is $25. So if you do 10 $10 an hour and then 25, how many hours would that be? So that would be 2.5 hours. Because it's $25. Number 6 says, John works at a company there are 6 American workers for every 7 British workers. 3 out of every 7 British workers are men and the rest are women. Half of the American workers are women. How many American workers are women if there are 462 British workers at the company? So, for this one, it gives you the amount of British workers. So with this, you could divide it by 7 right here. 7. So 462 divided by 7 is 66. So you would also multiply that by the American workers to get the same ratio. So 66 times 6 equals 396. So this is the amount of American workers at the company. And it says half are women and half are men. So it's asking how many American workers are women. So you would just divide that by 2. 396 divided by 2 is 198. So the final answer would be D, 198.